We've had this place for about 2 months now, so in this video I wanted to update you on our progress. The inside of the house is now pretty much clean. I'll do a bit of a comparison between what it was like when we first moved in and what it's like now. At the end of the video I'll also discuss the experience so far and then talk about what our plans are moving forward. You might have noticed that the tractor's no longer there. We sold that for 30,000 yen. There's a strong market in Asia for Japanese tractors. The person who bought it will be hoping they can fix it up. The rubbish seems to be never ending, as you can see outside. We're working on disposing that bit by bit. Our wrecker is coming in the next couple of months to take down some of the sheds and any rubbish we haven't removed by then. Also, anything with metal can be taken away for free by a metal scrapper. For example, the bicycles. These closets were full of clothes and futon before. These will be the bedrooms. The kitchen. Most of these first 2 months we spent clearing the property. I've mainly been working outside and have done very little inside. And when I say very little, I mean zero. It's mostly been my mother-in-law and her friends. I think she really wants us to move out of her house.
こういうのとか、こういうのとかさ、これって神棚でしょ、この辺で全部ね。So far it's been a great experience and I'm still glad that we decided to do this. There haven't been any real shocks, but I have to admit there's been a bit more rubbish here than we'd estimated. But on the other hand, it's been a bit easier and cheaper to get rid of than we'd also expected. For example, the cars were taken away for free. We managed to get some money for the tractor
and the metal's been taken away for free as well. Also, the neighbours have been very friendly. I think they're glad someone's taken over this abandoned place. I think anywhere in the world, no one likes to have an abandoned house in their neighbourhood. We've had a full inspection done in preparation for the renovation. The biggest problems are a leak in the roof, which has caused mould in one of the walls. Also, there's damage to the septic tank, and we'll need to fix or replace that. Apart from that, it's all in pretty good condition, it's structurally sound, and there are no termites. Once those issues are fixed, I think you could just about live in the house. You'd need to change the tatami, remove some mould, get a new boiler. I'd give that bath a pretty good scrub. The water and the electricity work fine. We're not going to move in just yet because we live pretty close by and it'll probably be just as convenient to do the renovation while we're living off-site. Speaking of the renovation, we're planning that now. We're going to remove some of the walls, like between the kitchen and the dining room, like this one here. We're also going to expand the bedrooms slightly, make them a little bit bigger, put flooring down throughout most of the house, and stairs to the second floor. There are a few options on how we do the renovation. We could contract someone, we could do DIY, or we could do a combination of both. In the yard, we're going to have a large lawn, flower beds, and a vegetable garden. I'll discuss in more detail in another video. I'll also do a video of some of the interesting things we've come across while we were cleaning the place. Finally, I plan to do a video on how we came to find and buy this place, and also the process of buying an abandoned house in Japan. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions that you'd like me to particularly address. So if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to keep up with our progress. Thanks for watching.